Hey there. Imagine you are hosting a massive party and GitHub is your grand ballroom, right? It's where everyone who's coding comes to collaborate, share, and shine, but just like any great party, it needs a solid host to keep things flowing smoothly. That's what GitHub administration is all about. It's not just a fancy title, it's the backbone of ensuring your GitHub house is organized, secure, and always ready for a good time. Let's dive in and become GitHub maestros. First, let's talk strategic context. Why GitHub administration? Consider your organization like a treasure chest of ideas. GitHub is this golden coffer where all your treasured code resides, and without proper administration, it's like leaving your treasures unguarded, making it easy for pirates to come snatching, and sometimes even harm your own crew. Being savvy with GitHub means turning it into your stronghold where developers can collaborate, deploy, and innovate to their heart's content, unrestrained. Now let's imagine rolling up our sleeves and getting to grips with the architecture of GitHub, much like planning the ultimate party layout. Understanding the components and services at GitHub's disposal is vital. At the heart, you have repositories and branches. Then you've got issues, a way for your guest to share concerns or help requests directly, kind of like the party's chat box. Pull requests are where your code is proposed for inclusion in the master, the big event branch. Merging is the act of accepting this code and incorporating it into your party main floor. Security is also paramount, friend. You wouldn't want your party to spiral into chaos, right? Well, GitHub paths are essentially the keys to your house. They let you in, manage events, and exit when required. And just like every great party needs a first aid kit, GitHub's access control ensures only genuine members enhance the party vibes and no sneaky do-nots get in. Let's discuss workflows. We've got this amazing tech tool, GitHub Actions. It's like an intelligent party assistant automating tasks you might find tedious. From testing your music playlists to checking that all the lights are set just right, GitHub Actions make sure your GitHub party goes off without a hitch. The next big thing in mastery is troubleshooting, akin to handling party mishaps or unexpected spills. Identifying the root cause without unnecessary drama and implementing the most efficient fix is the mark of a true GitHub administrator. Like a good host, they ensure the party's flow is seamless, helping developers resolve issues swiftly and effectively. Okay, now let's talk configuration walkthroughs. Imagine hosting your party on an open field, then reimagining it on a sprawling manner with a state-of-the-art system managing every need from invitations to cleanup. That's GitHub Enterprise, folks. And just like choosing the perfect setting for your bash, it allows you to customize access settings to match your organization's unique needs. GitHub Actions, on the other hand, is like your party's dynamic entertainment lineup, ensuring every little detail is polished. As a senior cloud architect, I've witnessed how leveraging GitHub's administrative prowess can elevate codebases from basic collections to vibrant, collaborative hubs of innovation. It's empowering developers, streamlining workflows, and unveiling potential business value across the board. By harnessing the full spectrum of GitHub's toolbox, you'll be setting the stage for an unprecedented level of productivity, engagement, and creative synergy within your team. Now that you've got a grasp on GitHub administration, think of yourself as not just a host but a visionary who sees beyond the typical setup. Your organization can revel in the full breadth of GitHub's capabilities, making it an indispensable asset in the ever-evolving world of software. Eager to master next? Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. It's your treasure trove of knowledge, brimming with tips and tricks to further your journey into the fascinating world of GitHub administration. Till we meet again, keep coding, keep collaborating, and most importantly, keep having fun with technology. Goodbyes now, but remember, the world of tech is always changing, and there's always more learning to be had. Keep exploring, and I'll see you back here at TechLab. Stay curious, my friend.